It's important to clean and maintain your coffee machine. Let's see how to clean the InstaCuppa 4-in-1 capsule coffee maker. Ensure that the water tank is full before you start self-cleaning. You can use any adapter for self-cleaning. Ensure that it's empty. Open the lever and place the adapter and then close the lever. Place a large mug for self-cleaning and switch on the main power. Do not press the power button. Directly press the self-cleaning button for 3 seconds and it will automatically start. The indication is that the button will start blinking. You need to change the mug once it's filled. This change is required only once. Once the self-cleaning is done, the hot water will stop dispensing and the self-cleaning button will stop blinking. After brewing, open the lever and take off the adapter. If you're using the coffee powder adapter, you need to empty the coffee filter and remove the filter basket for further cleaning. If you're using the Nespresso capsule adapter, remove the capsule after using, and if you're using the Dolce Gusto pod adapter, you need to remove the pod. Next, you need to remove the drip tray and the water tank. Rinse all parts of the coffee machine after using. The water tank though can be cleaned occasionally, but the other parts like the adapters need to be cleaned after every use. After scrubbing, rinse all the parts again. For the coffee machine body, you can wipe it with a dry or damp cloth.